Hey there, and welcome to the very first episode of Insurance 101, brought to you by D&B Insurance Solutions. I'm Dee, your independent insurance agent, and your go-to for all things home, auto, and commercial coverage. Now, if the word insurance makes your eyes glaze over, don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the deal. Insurance doesn't have to be confusing or overwhelming. You just need someone who can break it down in plain English, and that's exactly what I'm here to do. So let's jump into the basics. At its core, insurance is just a safety net. It's a way to protect your finances when life throws you a curveball, whether that's a car accident, storm damage to your home, or a liability issue at your business. Insurance helps make sure you're not footing the entire bill on your own. You pay a premium, basically a monthly or yearly fee, and in return, your insurance company agrees to step in and help cover costs when something goes wrong. Let's start with home insurance. Whether you own a house or rent, home insurance is key. If you own a home, your policy typically covers the structure of your home, your belongings, liability. If someone gets hurt on your property, additional living expenses if your home becomes unlivable. One common myth. People think flood damage is included. It's not. Flood insurance is a separate policy. So if you live in a flood-prone area, let's talk. Next up, auto insurance. In most states, it's required by law to have car insurance, but there are different types of coverage. Liability covers injuries and damages to others if you're at fault. Collision covers damage to your car if you hit something. Comprehensive covers non-accident things like theft, fire, or a tree branch falling on your car. And let me say this, the cheapest policy isn't always the best. Saving $10 a month might sound great until you're stuck with a $2,000 repair bill that isn't covered. Now, for all my fellow entrepreneurs and business owners, let's talk commercial insurance. If you own a business, you're juggling risks every day. Property damage, lawsuits, employee injuries, cyber threats, you name it. A commercial policy can be customized to cover what you need, like general liability, commercial property workers' comp business interruption, cyber liability. The key is making sure your policy fits your business, not just some generic checklist. Now you might be wondering, why should I work with you, Dee, instead of going straight to a big insurance company? Great question. At D&B Insurance Solutions, I'm an independent agent. That means I'm not tied to just one insurance company. I work with multiple carriers to shop around and find you the best coverage at the best price. You get unbiased advice, more options, and a real human on your side, not a 1-800 number. All right, that's a wrap for today's episode of Insurance 101. Hopefully you feel a little more confident about the basics of home, auto, and commercial insurance. If you have questions or want to schedule a free policy review, head over to dbinsurancesolutions.com or shoot me a message on Facebook. I'd love to connect with you. And don't forget to subscribe. Next week, we'll dive into what your homeowner's policy doesn't cover, but should. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for listening. And remember, when life happens, we've got you covered.